Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11 PC. Adobe Photoshop is most popular photo editing software. So I was download Adobe Photoshop, and now in this video I am going to show you how to install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11 PC. So you see a folder Adobe Photoshop. I double click on it and it's open. So I just double click on autoplay.exe. After double click on it, it asks me permission to install. I click on yes. Then this is the installation wizard. So I click on install button. Then it will hide and it will show within few seconds. And then installation process will start. So you see that installation processing is started. So I click on continue button. So installation is start. So installation is completed. So I click on launch button. So now Adobe Photoshop 2024 is opening. It will take few seconds. So this is a brand new Adobe Photoshop. So that was my video how to install Adobe Photoshop on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you're newcomer on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you're newcomer on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page and hit this video. Thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this video. Thank you.